Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to customize our notification reminders in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for notification reminders options? We need to go to Settings, then in Notifications menu we have Advanced Settings. And in here, a little bit down, we have notification reminders. When we turn it on, we have a few options here. For example, vibrate when sound plays. We can turn it on or off. We can change at time reminder, 10 minutes for example, or 5 minutes, etc. And we can also choose applications which this reminder will be using. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.